In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI marketing video with Higgsfield Lip Sync Studio. We're using Higgsfield to build a polished AI marketing piece, and the platform gives you three creative paths: image-based, video-based, or speaking models. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on talking models, which are perfect for producing a presenter-style clip that explains your product or offer. Start by heading to the Higgsfield website. Once you're in, hover over the video section and open Lip Sync Studio. This is the workspace that turns a still image into a talking presenter, syncing your script to a synthetic voice. Next, upload an image of your model. Choose a sharp, front-facing photo with good lighting and a clear view of the mouth. Neutral backgrounds and minimal accessories help the system track facial features more accurately. If needed, crop so the face is centered and the eyes and lips are not cut off. For the voice, you can pick either audio text or generated audio. We'll use audio text. This option lets you type what you want the model to say and pairs it with a built-in synthetic voice. It's fast, consistent, and easy to edit later. Type in the script for your model. Keep it natural and conversational, as if the presenter is speaking to one person. Use punctuation to control pacing, and avoid overly long sentences to maintain clarity. If you're aiming for a 30-second spot, target around 90 to 110 words. For a minute, plan roughly 180 to 200 words so the visuals and speech stay aligned. To make your video more detailed, add a descriptive prompt. For example, specify that the model is sitting inside a studio. You can also describe the mood, lighting, or camera angle to set the scene, as long as it supports the same concept. Higgsfield offers multiple model backbones that influence lip sync and visual style. In this example, we'll use WAN 2.5. Select it to apply that model's strengths to your clip. Adjust the duration and resolution. Match the duration to the length of your script to prevent cutting off or extra silence at the end. For resolution, choose what fits your publishing channel. Full HD is a safe default for most platforms. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will render your talking model with synced audio and your chosen scene details. Rendering can take a moment, so let it finish. That's it, you're done. If you want to refine anything, simply tweak the script, prompt, or settings, and generate again until it matches your marketing goals.